How to reset the WhatsApp settings to default. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your WhatsApp settings to default. So to do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your WhatsApp, go on the three vertical dots on the top right side, tap on the very setting option, scroll to the chats option, scroll down and then here you see the very chat backup option. Now tap on include videos, enable the include videos, enable backup cellular and then just tap on the backup. After you backup it, now go on the setting option of your device. Scroll a little bit down, tap on the very apps option. Now from here you need to search for WhatsApp. We'll just search it. Now after you search for WhatsApp, tap on the storage option. Make sure you clear all the data, clear all the cache, and after you do that, force stop it and open your WhatsApp again. And after you open it, your WhatsApp should be set to the default now. That's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.